Hello everyone, in this video I am going to share one of my favorite features of Google Docs, that is outline. Firstly, to show the outline you need to go in the view and just click on the show outline. Then you can see the outline on the left sidebar. I typically always have this one open. This is an essential for me. This helps me make through documents and steps. So let's go into it. You can see there are many module in my Google Docs, like module 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as well. There are so many modules and there are so many pages. So if I want to find the module, so I need to like scroll many pages. So I don't want that. I just want to set a module wise outline. So let's go how to set up this. Firstly, select the module 1 and go to the styles. You see module 1 I am setting as a heading number 1. So this one is module 1. Then I am going to set a module number 2 as heading. This is one heading. Then module 3 will be set as a heading. And I have module 4 also. This is module 4. So now what things happening here, you see, like I am in module number 4 pages. If I want to go module 1, so I don't need to scroll to go up there. I just click in the module number 1, it goes here, and the module number 2, 3, 4. You see how easy this is. This is the first heading of its heading of this, all of this default. And so, and you, if you want to set subheadings like by intentionally, like this one, question number 1, you want to set a subheadings of module number 1. So let's see how to set this. You just click on heading number 2. You see this one is under module number 1. So as this you can set many subheadings of module number 1, and if you want to module number 4 subheadings, you can also add this by this option. This is heading number 2. So using this heading feature in this outline features can help you save you. I know for me it saved many days for my time of doing this, of scrolling or trying to drag the bar here and figure out where these things are. So I can emphasize it enough. The outline features is your friend. Using headings to kind of help build out that outline is really important, and it will save you a lot of time. So by using outline you can use and you can save your time as well. So this is all for today. Thank you very much.